Happy opening day, everybody. We got the Pittsburgh Pirates taking on the Chicago Cubs here on April 1st, 2021. Pittsburgh plus 175 on the money line. The Cubs minus 210. Should be a pretty good matchup here for the National League Central. All right, guys, I'm Coach from Sports Gambling Daily. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. What we try to do here is find winners. So definitely consider subscribing. And also hit that thumbs up button. It definitely helps the channel grow. All right, so, and if you would, let me know in the comments who you are betting in this matchup. You like Pittsburgh, you like Chicago, let me know what's up. What's your favorite bet? All right, let's get into this matchup. Pittsburgh plus 175 on the money line. Chad Cole on the mound, righty. He's making his first career opening day start. He came off Tommy John surgery back in 2018. So we're going to see what we get from good old Chad here. Now, he's going to be taking on a Cubs team that's pretty stout. And Kyle Hendricks is no slouch on the mound. He's a righty. This is his second career opening day start where he had a shutout in his first one just last season. Now, he is really good at home. When he pitches at home, he is a 2.54 ERA over 87 career starts. That's solid, but he is a slow starter. And historically, in the months of April and March, he has not fared well. 4.29 ERA in 23 career starts. I think the Cubs minus 210 is a little rich for my blood. I think I'm going to go with Pittsburgh plus 1.5 at minus 134 on the run line. I think the game will stay close, and as long as Pittsburgh doesn't lose by more than 2 runs, then we get to cash this ticket. But guys, this is my early prediction here. If you want the ones I'm most confident in, definitely come and check out our VIP section on our website, sgdwins.site. The link is in the description. We have over 2,100 members in there going strong. So definitely come on in, see what we got, see what we're betting, and come join the action. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Coach from Sports Gambling Daily. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Good luck with all your wagers. Let's break the book.